Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and thank you for tuning in to a brand new episode of The Nation Wants to Know. I'm Deepthi Sachdeva. The Nation wants to know that whether there's going to be any action against Kangana Ranaut as the opposition is wanting. If not an action, will she apologize? Now, in case you're wondering that why is it that people are asking for Kangana to apologize, let's quickly rewind to what has happened at least in the last 24 hours. Kangana. She, remember, today is a member of parliament. Not just that, she is a powerful actor with some very, very good work and also someone who has a very strong opinion on a lot of things. And in the past, multiple times that she has been stuck in one controversy or the other. But this time around, she said something that has actually got the opposition very, very worried with the kind of comments that she has made. Also because this is coming so close to the big Haryana elections that you will be seeing very, very soon on the 1st of October. Kangana Ranaut is on one side. She has stirred a new panga. She remembers an MP, Member of Parliament from Mandi. She had an interesting battle. She won that. And on the other side are the farmers, the kisan, the annadata. प्रधानमंत्री मोदी कहते हैं कि देश में सिर्फ 4 जातियां हैं, महिला, युवा, गरीब और अन्नदाता, as in the kisan. So this has become Kangana versus the kisan, Kangana versus the annadata, Kangana versus the farmer. Why? Why did Kangana say what she said vis-a-vis the farmers? And what has happened that has stirred such a huge controversy? Kangana, like I said, not the very first time that has been, called out for her comments. If you remember, not very long ago, she had also said कि 2014 में ही ऐसा लगता है कि हमें आजादी मिली है. And this is when, she was not even officially with the BJP. But now with the kind of comment she has made as an MP, Member of Parliament, has that also put the BJP on the back foot vis-a-vis the Kisan. The Kisan, remember again, is an Achilles heel when it comes to the government. You would recall the entire Andolan that was fronted by the Kisan. A lot of things were said about that particular Andolan, also said that, there were elements that did not want peace in the country. So a lot of that has happened. A lot of controversial comments that have been made by different leaders across political quarters. But now with the elections approaching, with the kind of comment that Kangana as an MP has made, what has happened? So on this edition of The Nation Wants to Know, we want to know whether she will be also now apologizing. The Congress says apology is not good enough. We want her to be sacked. The BJP has also acted on the comments that she made. But what are the comments? Let me quickly tell you a quick gist of what we know about her comment. Now, this is, remember how the BJP has responded, but I just want to, go back to the initial graphic that we had. So I tell you exactly what Kangana has said vis-a-vis our farmers. Before I tell you this an entire comment that she has made vis-a-vis the Kisan Andolan. She says that, there was almost an attempt to create a Bangladesh-like situation in our country. और अगर हमारे देश का सशक्त नेतृत्व नहीं होता तो कुछ भी हो सकता था, is what she says. She says outside forces were planning to destroy us. Anarchy plot with the help of insiders. She also has now been pulled up by the BJP, only pulled up, no action yet. The BJP has kind of said that we do not agree with her comments. And a lot of those comments, remember, that she made, many said that they were distasteful. But why has Kangana made that comment? Is anyone asking her? I now want to tell you what the BJP has said vis-a-vis those comments. The BJP says that the statement by Kangana Ranaut, not the opinion of the party. So they say we have nothing to do with the kind of comment she has made. Parties is wanting to distance itself from that comment. They say the BJP disagrees with her statement. We do not agree with it. They've reprimanded her also. They've said that Kangana neither is permitted, look at the words, she is neither permitted nor she is authorized. So she is neither permitted, neither is she authorized to make such statements. Is she not aware? Why did she say this then? They also go on to say that Kangana is not authorized by the party to comment on policy issues. This is the word. Neetigat issues par Kangana bayan nahi de sakti is what the party has said. They go ahead to say that the party has asked her to refrain from making such comments in future. आगे से आप इस तरह के बयान न दें. All in all, this is what the BJP has said. This is a quick, letter of that, dated today, 26th of August 2024, सोमवार, and it says कि कंगना रनौत के बयान से असहमति व्यक्त करते हैं। पार्टी की ओर से पार्टी के नीतिगत विषयों पर बोलने के लिए कंगना रनौत को न तो अनुमति है और न ही वे बयान देने के लिए अधिकृत है। Then it just goes on to say कि this line, remember, is important where it says कि वे इस प्रकार के कोई बयान भविष्य में न दे। भारतीय जनता पार्टी सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास और सबका प्रयास और पूरी सामाजिक समरसता के सिद्धांतों पर चलने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है। So this is, I think, the message that has gone out to not just Kangna, but to a lot of other motor mouths in all parties. The BJP saying हम सबका साथ, सबका विकास और सबका प्रयास इस अपने पूरे सिद्धांत पे कायम। Now let me tell you how the opposition has responded to this. The opposition clearly sensed an opportunity. They smelt blood. This is Supriya Srinath of the Congress. Now she says that if it is not the party's opinion, sack her. Why have you not sacked her? Why is there no action? Is what the Congress is asking. They say Kangna and the BJP must apologize to the farmers. So the Congress also wanting her to apologize. They also say the BJP is trying to wash its hands of the words of its MP. She, remember, is Kumari Selja. She again is a Congress member of Parliament. We'll just get this corrected. And she is also, remember, a front runner when it comes to the Haryana elections. Let's not forget that you have significant elections in Haryana, where again, a lot of vote bank is the Kisan, the Jat vote bank. And another remark that you have gotten from Sushil Gupta, who's the Aam Aadmi Party's Haryana chief, he says the statement shows the mentality of the BJP. So all opposition parties are gunning today for Kangna via, the comment she has made. The AAP also says the BJP gives medals to officers who fired bullets on the Kisan. तो आपको याद दिलाने की कोशिश हो रही है कि जब किसानों के प्रति पूरा आंदोलन चल रहा था तो तब भाजपा ने क्या किया था, is what the AAP is trying to say. Again and again, you've seen multiple of these responses. All of them say that you reprimand her, you distance yourself, but why no action? So could this really become, remember, a huge trouble for the BJP going ahead when you have important elections in Haryana? Haryana, remember, is next door to Delhi. It has 10 Lok Sabha seats. In the last Lok Sabha election, you have seen the BJP losing at least 5 of those seats. And if internal surveys are anything to go by, the Congress believes that they are sitting pretty right now to win that state. The BJP also dealing with 10 years of anti-incumbency. Mahila voter, Jat voter, Kisan voter. Not to forget the OBC, the caste census pitch that the opposition continues to raise again and again. So like I again said, it's become Kangna versus the Annadata, Kangna versus the farmers, and Kangna versus the BJP. The BJP has pulled her up, but why have they not acted? I quickly want to rewind now to an interesting graphic that our team has prepared for us. This is all her past controversies. Like I said, not the first time that Kangna is in the middle of this controversy. So what has happened so far that many are raising questions on Kangna? She compared Mumbai to POK. Now, in an altercation with Sanjay Raut, she had questioned why Mumbai is feeling like POK. And people said that should not be done. When India attained real freedom in 2014, the infamous comment again that was made by her, she said in 2021, when, this remark was made, कि 2014 में ही तो भारत को असली आजादी मिली है. Lot of questions again on that particular comment also that were made by Kangna. And now this comment. Then when it comes to the farm law protest, and she called them terrorists, Kangna in 2021 posted that they are not farmers. She said this, that they are not farmers, but they are terrorists who are trying to divide India. This is what Kangna said way back in 2021. The BJP was well aware of, the kind of stand she takes. But why was she allowed to make a statement like this? And if the party does not agree, would it be fair to say that act against her? Walk the talk is what the opposition is also saying. Let's quickly make way now to listen into a string of these reactions that have come in today from the opposition who want her to be sacked, who want her to apologize. Let's listen.
अगर ये उनका मत नहीं है, अगर आपकी पार्टी का ये मत नहीं है, तो निकाल बाहर करिए ऐसे सांसद को. अगर ये आपका मत नहीं है तो इस देश के किसानों के खिलाफ जिसने इस तरह की बात की है उसको किसी कीमत पर संसद में बैठने का हक नहीं है। हाथ जोड़ के माफी मंगवाइए किसानों से, और अगर ये सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो आप खुद माफी मांगिए इस देश के किसानों से।
एक बार फिर कंगना रनौत ने कल जहर उगला। उसने कहा कि ये किसान हिंदुस्तान को बांग्लादेश बनाना चाहते हैं। ये शर्मनाक बयान है। ये बीजेपी की सांसद कंगना रनावत अकेली नहीं बोल रही, ये इनकी मानसिकता बोल रही है, जो लगातार किसानों को गालियां देते रहे। भाजपा जितने लोगों ने किसानों को गालियां दी उतनों को ही बड़े बड़े पद देती रही।
All right, so the opposition says कि ये तो पुराना पैटर्न है, बीजेपी कंगना पर एक्शन क्यों नहीं लेती? I think these are valid questions. Let's open up this conversation with Mr. Raj Gopalan, who's a senior journalist, joining us on the show along with Suhail Seth, who's a noted columnist. Also good to have Rajat Sethi. He's an author and economist too on the broadcast. Along with Kapish Srivastavaji, he represents the Samajwadi Party. Khalikur Rahman is a political analyst. He leans towards the Congress. And Huda Zariwala, political analyst. She also leans towards the Aam Aadmi Party. She's completing our panel. Let's begin by getting Suhail into the conversation, because I'm told, Suhail, that you're going to be defending the indefensible. You are defending Kangana tonight. How will you do that, Suhail?
1 minute. Please don't put words in my mouth. I'm quite articulate to put my own words in my own mouth. I'm not defending anyone. I am pro-speech and I'm pro-free speech because free speech is not to be hindered by any political associations. A. B. Every political party has had stupid people make stupid comments or intelligent people make stupid comments. I heard Supriya Srinath Singh expel her from the party. They suspended Sam Petroda and they brought him in. So let's not be hypocritical. Every political party has its fair share of people who will make comments that are not in sync with party lines. It happens across the world. You know, whether it was Nigel Farage in the UK, whether it was Boris Johnson just before he became Prime Minister, Donald Trump in innumerable times, I think we should be more mature. This is Kangana's own point of view. If it sounds ludicrous, if it sounds stupid, people will treat it as that. To make such a big deal, oh, she must resign, she must quit, it's an insult to the farmers. Half the people who are in the farming community don't even know who she is. The other half don't care. So I really don't think we need to take this as a massive insult to the farmers. Much worse has been said about the farmers by so-called astute politicians. During the farmer agitation, you remember how many comments used to be passed about them?
Yes.
That they are Khalistan supporters, they are this, they are that. People in our country will say what they have to. We have to be intelligent enough to sift the wheat from the chaff, to understand that just because you don't like their point of view doesn't mean you shut them down. Narayan Murthy famously said, of Infosys that is, you can disagree without being disagreeable. You disagree. You give a retort. Now all the expeller. अरे भाई आपके लोगों ने भी तो stupid comments pass किए हैं. किसी ने नहीं बोला. So let's not get into this anger, vitriol, violent streak, oh, expel.
Okay, so Suhail believes that all this is unfounded. But you know, Suhail, there clearly has to be a distinction. There has to be a distinction between how the BJP responds and how any other party responds. That is why the BJP today is in power. I want to quickly get in Rajat, Mr. Raj Gopalan, before I also get in Kapish, Khalikur Rahmanji and Huda here. Rajat, the BJP has issued a statement. The BJP says that they have reprimanded her. She has no business to speak on any policy-related issues. But the opposition says that ये आपने सिर्फ बयान जारी किया because आप डर गए हरियाणा में चुनाव आने वाले. Has she got the BJP into trouble, Rajat?
I think, especially when the campaign heat is on and you barely have a month before the polling happens, anybody should refrain from having very individualistic point of view. They can always air those point of view when your parent body, the parent organization that you belong to, which is the BJP in this case, it doesn't have direct stakes into what you are trying to say. Therefore, the timing is horrible. she is known to be a motor mouth. I still stand by her fundamental right to speech. She can go on and say, and the social media has also reacted in a way where there, whatever she said, there has been ample number of proofs printed in responsible newspaper dailies of this country as well. So there might as well be some fact to what she has been saying. But then, one has to be politically realist, and here the BJP, being realist enough, has admonished Kangana Ranaut and has said that this is not the party's line, which
but
is
Rajat,
fair.
Is this good enough? Is this good enough? If you just look at the kind of responses that have come in, there are a string of these responses. A lot of them I've not even taken on air. A lot of the Kisan Union, a lot of wrestlers. Don't forget, in Haryana, it's not just the Kisan. It's also the wrestlers issue that many say possibly could change a lot of stuff here and there, and the BJP is well aware about this, Rajat.
See, in politics, all kinds of parties make all kinds of stupid remarks, which is true. Some might bite them, some might not. Again, leave the politics part of it aside. There will be a political cost, and they will have to bear it. The point is that whom are you trying to sack and from what position? She's a member of parliament elected by her constituents. She's not an office bearer within the BJP or within the government that you're asking to sack. And that is where I don't think that there is any kind of a precedence where a member of parliament sort of resigns on a statement. It would be bizarre. If this carries on, every single member of parliament will have to resign on one issue or the other.
Rajat says this is bizarre, but Mr. Rajgopalan, put your hand on your heart, sir, and say, अगर ये आज opposition ने बोला होता, किसी opposition के MP की तरफ से ये बयान आया होता, Mr. Rajgopalan, the BJP would have called for their resignation. And there is this tweet that has come in from Bajrang Punia. For a moment, I will just ask our team to put that on our screens. He says, किसानों के आंदोलन को बदनाम करने के लिए सत्ता के कंगन जीतने खनक रहे हैं, उनसे 50 गुना तेज हमारे गांव के लोग ये गीत गा रहे हैं. Then he puts out a song with that particular image on our screens. He says, ये मशाले चल पड़े हैं लोग मेरे गांव के, अब अंधेरा जीत लेंगे मेरे गांव में. कह रही है झोपड़ी और पूछते हैं खेत भी, कब तलक लुटते रहेंगे लोग मेरे गांव के. तो if Suhail we believe कि ये संदेश वहां गांव तक नहीं पहुंचा है, people do not know who Kangana is. Mr. Rajgopalan, what can the BJP do for damage control now? Suhail, I will come back to you. I will come back to you.
Elections are not won on Twitter. Number one. Number two, I'll tell Mr. Rajgopalan and all your panelists, the BJP will lose Haryana irrespective of Kangana Ranaut, and they should.
Okay, you're saying the BJP will lose Haryana irrespective of Kangana.
Let me tell you, Kangana is going to be the fall person. The BJP deserves to lose Haryana. They have the worst form of governance, and I'm saying it publicly. I'll be surprised if they win. So don't blame Kangana for Naib Singh Saini's misgovernance. Just letting
Mr. Rajgopalan.
Deepthi, whatever the statements made in Parliament by Mr. Rahul Gandhi, did Congress, apologize? He went in Supreme Court and apologized for Rafale. Such type of tall leaders in opposition parties do have, such type of motor mouth. I say the BJP has taken a strict warning against Madam Kangana Ranaut. We have to stop with that. Even Supriya Srinivasan got into trouble last year. You know that every spokesperson, they have a motor mouth. And whatever Suhail said is absolutely right. And moreover, in India, every third month you have an election. Every third month you have an election.
You also think they're losing Haryana anyways?
I don't think so. I don't think BJP will win Haryana. I am very sure. I contradict Mr. Suhail Seth because the ground situation is totally different in Haryana. I would like to tell you that the opposition parties are divided. Aam Aadmi Party is not going with Congress, and Congress has Kumari Selja will ensure Dipender Huda and Bhupender Huda will go loose. And moreover, there are two ladies. One is Kangana Ranaut, another is Madam Kumari Selja. You let them fight. But now coming to the main point, BJP has taken a stand. She is a motor mouth. You cannot control her. Now it is all this. And moreover, she has been elected by lakhs of people. He has to represent the people's voice. Even if BJP has done it. Suniya, suppose if Haryana is the election. After tomorrow, there is Maharashtra election. Therefore, no party, no political leadership should speak out.
No, but Mr. Rajgopalan, either what she has said is the truth. In that case, the BJP should not pull her up. She should not be reprimanded.
No,
or what she has said is, obviously not politically correct.
whether politically correct or not, when she spoke, she did not realize that. Second thing, I'm not referring Kangana Ranaut, but at the same time, opposition has no role to seek resignation of Madam Kangana Ranaut, because Rahul Gandhi is much worse than Kangana Ranaut.
I don't know whether you're comparing Rahul Gandhi with Kangna, does that work or not? But I see all the opposition, at least, represented by Kapish, Kaliko Rehmanji and Huda, having a good laugh. But Huda Zariwala, the point is that this is the BJP. The BJP realized what she has said is not in line with, what the party thinks. They've issued a statement. Now for you to say कि नहीं भाई resign करिए, ये पार्टी की मानसिकता दर्शाता है, ऐसे तो आप लोगों के इतने कमेंट्स अगर मैं लिस्ट निकालूंगी आप भी दिक्कत में पड़ जाएंगे, आपके तो मुख्यमंत्री खुद जेल में हैं.
Well, good evening. Never thought I would see the day where I would actually appreciate BJP for something it has actually done. But then again, there's a catch to it. The Haryana election, like you rightly mentioned, हमारे CM साहब अभी तक अगर जेल से छूटे नहीं है, वो एक totally separate मुद्दा है.
अरे वो कैसे सेपरेट होगा? देखिए यही तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, आप पर आता है तो सेपरेट होता है, दूसरे पे आता है आप उनका इस्तीफा मांगते हैं. अरविंद केजरीवाल क्यों नहीं रिजाइन करते, ये भी तो बताइए ना.
एक दो एग्जांपल्स मैं कोट करती हूँ. आपको याद होगा जब नुपुर शर्मा ने प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद
No, we are not going there, please. Huda, we are not going there, please. Huda, be mindful of what you're saying. No, I will get in Kaliko Rehmanji quickly here. No, Huda, please, her fader's down. We go to Kaliko Rehmanji. Kaliko Rehmanji, is this the problem of the opposition today? That you have no moral standing to question anyone. Like Rajgopalan ji also said, Rajat also said, आप लोग कुछ भी पकड़ लेते हैं for the sake of it. When it comes to the Congress, your own house is divided in Haryana. Kumari Selja के इतने बड़े-बड़े posters लगे हुए हैं. She is just won a Lok Sabha election. She wants to contest for an MLA election. How will you beat the BJP?
Deepti ji, namaskar, and namaskar to all the co-panelists here. And I would humbly request you to allow me to speak without intervening me. Because every time I come on your channel, after I say a sentence, then I am intervened, actually, or interrupted. See, whatever the Kangana Ranaut has said, it is very shameful, it is very unfortunate, very disrespectful to the farmers and also to the nation. The BJP simply disowning her statement is not enough, because in 2021, she said that the farmers are the terrorists, they are the Reuters. But in spite of that, the farmers have been consistently and continuously being attacked by Kangana Ranaut. And the BJP has given her the ticket and she was elected to the Lok Sabha. And again, today, she has the guts to make the statement, and the BJP leadership is simply watching and issuing a simple letter of disowning itself from her statement, which definitely cannot be accepted, because she is a BJP MP representing the Bharatiya Janata Party into parliament.
Okay.
And I would like to take objection to what Mr. Rajgopalan has said, that because she is the voice of the people of Himachal Pradesh. Is this and she's representing the people's voice? Is this the voice of the people of Himachal Pradesh? What she is trying to convey to the country? I take a very strong objection to Mr. Rajgopalan's statement here. Actually, Mr. Rajgopalan, please listen to me, because you should allow me to speak, because I never interrupted while you were speaking.
Like that?
No, because you said this. You said this.
We'll go one by one. Mr. Rajgopalan, you should not get provoked by Kaliko Rehmanji, because I will just show him the mirror. I will just show him the mirror. Now, Kaliko Rehmanji, it's really rich that, you have, such high regards and you are really disturbed with the kind of comments that Kangana has made. Having said that, do you remember Supriya Srinath's post vis-a-vis Kangana once? The current rate in Mandi, quote unquote. Did you take action against Supriya Srinath?
See, we are right now discussing about the farmers issue, and I'm telling you now that whatever Supriya Srinath said,
you take action against her, then you are in a position to call for action against anyone else.
There is no regret for whatever Supriya ji has said. Today I say it openly and very courageously on your channel, for the reason that Kangana Ranaut deserves that kind of treatment.
No, why do you hate Kangana so much? I don't understand.
We don't hate. See, what the spirit, what Kangana Ranaut is having for the farmers and what the respect she is having for the farmers of our country. I mean, is the BJP not seeing that in spite of, she called
But the BJP has
farmers
said
a
that
terrorist.
this is not
She
our
was given the
position.
ticket by the
They
BJP.
have said we have nothing to do with what Kangana has said.
This is not, you are simply trying to wash off your hands.
That's exactly what the Congress
no.
did. Exactly
Yeah.
what the Congress did. Supriya
No,
said, I do
no,
not know
no.
who was operating my Twitter account then. She also apologized. It just stopped there. You did not act against her. You remember? Khalikur Rahman ji.
There was no need for any kind of action against Supriya ji because she
अरे
didn't say
करंट
anything
रेट
wrong
इन मंडी
against
पूछा
Kangana.
अब नहीं, अब ये कैसी बात होती है? ये कैसी बात होती है? किसी और का अपमान होता है तो आप कहते हैं वो अपमान नहीं है।
अरे अपने अपमान क्या हो रहा था उसने आज किसानों का अपमान किया है और उसके लिए आज से
तो दोनों गलत है ना खलीकुर रहमान जी, दोनों चीजें गलत है।
नहीं आज हम कंगना की बात कर रहे हैं और किसानों की बात कर रहे हैं।
तभी तो मुझे सुप्रिया श्रीनेत की बात याद आई ना, because she's responded on this.
आप लोग किसी भी तरीके से टॉपिक को डाइवर्ट करके कहीं और लेके चले जाते हैं।
देखिए
आज
टॉपिक तो वही है,
किसानों के
टॉपिक वही है,
किसानों के मुद्दे पे हम बात कर रहे हैं।
नेता लोग भटकाते हैं, हम टॉपिक पर ही अड़े हुए हैं।
आज जो किसानों की बेइज्जती की गई है कंगना रावत के स्टेटमेंट के जरिए, वी आर डिस्कसिंग दैट, वी आर डिबेटिंग ऑन दैट।
So we are doing that. The party, the BJP has put out a release, and you're aware that they have distanced themselves. You are still not satisfied. You say there should be action. That is your point of view.
There should be an action.
ठीक है, Kapish ji, before I get in, Suhail, Rajat and Mr. Rajgopalan back into the conversation, Kapish ji. BJP has put out this letter. They say this is not an opinion of the party. She has been directed not to speak out of turn. They disagree with her comment. Should you welcome this?
देखिए, जो जनता पार्टी ने इस स्टेटमेंट से अपने आप को अलग किया है, उसके अलावा उनके पास चारा भी नहीं था और ये स्वागत योग्य कदम है। लेकिन इतने से ही बात नहीं बनेगी। क्यों? देखिए, कंगना रनावत जो है वो भारत के अंदर जो है संसद के पद पर, और उन पर अब एक आदर्श क्रिएट करने की जिम्मेदारी है। मैथिली शरण गुप्ता जी की एक कविता याद आती है कि जिनको है ना निज गौरव ना देश पर अभिमान है, वो नर नहीं नरपत मेरा और मृतक समान। देश हम किस लिए कह रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमारा देश जो है वो किसानों का देश है और किसानों के लिए जाना जाता है। आज आपने जिन शब्दों का प्रयोग किया है हमारे देश के किसानों के लिए, एक तो आपने उसको जो है जोड़ दिया बांग्लादेश के उत्पाद से, और साथ ही साथ आप कहते हैं कि ये हत्यारे भी हैं, ये साजिशकर्ता भी हैं, ये देश तोड़ने वाले हैं, ये बलात्कारी हैं। कि किस तरीके के शब्दों का इन्होंने प्रयोग किया है? इनको कभी शर्म आएगी? जिन्हें वैसे आएगी भी नहीं, जिसे इस इतिहास को ना पता हो कि 2014 में वो कहती है कि भारत आजाद है। अब ऐसे के लिए हम क्या कह सकते हैं? भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने उन्हें टिकट दे करके माननीय बनाया है, तो उनकी ही जिम्मेदारी है कि अगर किसानों पे इस तरीके के से वो हावी हो रही है, तो सिर्फ ये कह देने से कि हम इनके स्टेटमेंट से प्रसन्न नहीं है, ये ठीक बात नहीं। कोई ना कोई उन्हें ऐसा एक्शन लेना चाहिए जो भविष्य में कंगना रनावत ना ले सके, क्योंकि वो इसी के लिए जानी जाती है और किसानों से काफी नाराज रहती है। और शायद इसीलिए जो उन पर एक कार्रवाई एक बेटी ने कर दिया था जो जवान में थी, उसने गलत काम किया, लेकिन वो शायद इसी वजह से कर दिया था क्योंकि उनके माँ को भी उन्होंने इसी तरीके से।
नहीं कपिश जी, देखिए अब आप भी वही गलती कर रहे हैं, आप उसको जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। सारी चीजें गलत है। वायलेंस या किसी को थप्पड़ मारना किसी भी समस्या का सलूशन नहीं है सर, ये बात भी हमें माननी पड़ेगी।
पद्मजा, हमें विधि में ये पढ़ाया जाता है कि उत्तेजना कौन पैदा कर रहा है। जब आप उत्प्रेरण करोगे तो उसका रिएक्शन हो जाता है। लेकिन
अरे कमाल है, अब आप इसको जस्टिफाई भी कर रहे हैं, कपिश जी।
मैं बिल्कुल कोई जस्टिफाइड नहीं है, लेकिन जब इस तरीके की बयान वो देती रहेंगी तो जरा जगह पर झेलना पड़ेगा। ये एक्शन का रिएक्शन उनको हर जगह मिलेगा।
नहीं, अब आप कह रहे हैं एक्शन का रिएक्शन होगा।
चीजों के लिए भाजपा को स्वयं माफी मांग लेनी चाहिए।
नहीं, अब आप कह रहे हैं एक्शन का रिएक्शन होगा। क्या यही इस देश में मतलब तरीका होना चाहिए टू गो अबाउट? सुहेल, आई थिंक वीव हर्ड सम very sharp comments, from everyone bordering on being dangerous. But Suhail, what is your word of advice for Kangana from here on?
There are too many people wanting to interview her. There are too many microphones in our country, too many television cameras. Just stay far away. concentrate on your cinema and concentrate on saying whatever you have to in parliament because you have privilege on that. Look, here's the reality. People are bound to say things at times which sound erroneous, which sound stupid. Suddenly a mic is shoved. I'm not saying there's any, justification. It's happening all over. The problem is India has now become too serious. The lady panelist on your debate just now almost hijacked the thing to, the prophet and whatever happened at that point in time. These are the incendiary comments that get people into trouble, that make for a vicious and vitiated atmosphere. We are having a reasonable debate on the utterances of a member of parliament. To then bring in a god, a religion, a faith, unnecessary. This spawns a whole new movement of anger and a whole new resistance. Why do we do this in this country? Stick to the goddamn debate. The debate is very simple. Has the BJP done enough? It is the BJP's responsibility. She's a BJP member of parliament. No other political party does more than what the BJP has done, as we have seen. So to continuously then equate and do whataboutery, but we didn't do this, but we didn't do that. Nupur Sharma. The problem, Dipti, is there's too much of rage in our republic. There is no one who's willing to understand that people have a point of view which may sound stupid, ludicrous, and ridiculous. Let it pass with that. Don't give it too much of thought, too much of seriousness.
But Suhail,
if someone has to take action, take them to
at the
court.
end of the day, she's a member of parliament.
Absolutely. How many members of parliament have issued
is it fair to say that perhaps she isn't, mature enough, she doesn't bring so much of gravitas already, and she does not realize when she needs to speak, when she does not?
So, Dipti, how many members of parliament, all of us know, including all the gentlemen and the lady on this panel, who have made irresponsible statements? Many, several, not now, from time immemorial. So, point I'm making is regard those as statements that are an aberration and not the rule. Regard those as statements that are utterances of the unknowing and not of the knowing. And treat it that way, as simple.
Okay. Mr. Rajgopalan, but I have to come back to how the BJP has responded. They respond on the entire story, on the entire controversy, but falling short of taking any action. Now, is it up to Kangana now to apologize, perhaps put out a statement saying she did not mean what she said? Because aapko bhi yaad hoga, Kangana ne kaha tha ki 2014 mein hi aazadi mili hai. People then had mocked her. But this time, the kind of comment she has made, that has landed the BJP in some bit of trouble just ahead of the elections.
Deepthi, the matter is between BJP leadership and the member of parliament of BJP. They have taken a particular stand. We have to wait for the reaction of Madam Kangana Ranaut. Let us not jump the bench. Second, every 6 months we have election in India. The model code of conduct comes. Whereas every member of parliament has got a fundamental right to speak. किसी MP ने भी बोल दिया है पार्लियामेंट में केरोसिन ऑयल डाल दो आग लगा देंगे उसको किसने माफी मांग रहा है even Rahul Gandhi said that country will put on fire and Rahul Gandhi also said प्रधानमंत्री को डंडा से मारेंगे. These are irresponsible comments. So why should we compare these things? My understanding is Kangana Ranaut has spoken and she has been reprimanded. With the matter ends there. Like you said, मंडी में कितना रेट है सुप्रिया सिंह ने तो क्या किया है कांग्रेस ने they did not do anything. Similarly, मान्यवर नेताजी लड़के हैं गणती से वो जाते हैं मुलायम सिंह यादव से. So therefore such type of comment should be restrained.
But I still haven't found the answer, Huda, to the fact कि why is the opposition celebrating? आपको क्या लगता है कि कंगना के इस comment से आप लोग जीत जाएंगे चुनाव? Huda.
I request you to please allow me to speak.
And I also request you to please maintain the sanctity of the comments that you're putting out, Huda. Let's all be responsible. That is the debate all about.
In response to your question, if you have to speak about Kangana Ranaut, you also remember her saying, very, disturbing statements about Urmila Matondkar. You do remember she called her a version of soft porn. That was reprimanded by everybody at large. And yet the BJP went ahead, gave her the ticket. She has been, outrightly anti-Kisan, anti-women as far as Urmila Matondkar is concerned, anti-national as far as a lot of things are concerned. I remember on your summit, on your Times Now summit, she had asked Navika ji, कि हमारे पहले प्रधानमंत्री सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी, and even Navika ji asked, would you like to correct that statement? And she said, no, he should have been the first Prime Minister of India. So she is known to make these blatant, irresponsible statements on air. This is not just about a summit. This is not just about the news channel.
What is your point?
He is a member of parliament. She should conduct herself responsibly and respectfully. The party line itself has distanced themselves from her statements. I mean, this itself goes on to show that party bhi is jhamele mein nahi padna cha rahi hai. I mean, it's not the first time she's made these statements. It's not obviously going to be the last. We can probably expect a lot of inflammatory comments against, a lot of things that goes around in the nation from her. But then again,
so what do you want? Do you want her to resign? Is that your demand, or you want an apology?
So what BJP has done right now is conveniently just a little, sort of thing on the knuckle. Aapko is तरह से नहीं बोलना, this is wrong, don't do this, just like how a school teacher would do to a student doing mischief.
Okay.
I mean, clearly there needs to be a larger action taken against her from the BJP. If there is no, resignation from her MP position, at least something, maybe she should be off the social media for a while. Maybe there should be other steps that the BJP can take to ensure that neither just her, the other member of parliaments,
But going by your logic, the more she speaks, like Mr. Rajgopalan would agree, the more Rahul speaks. Mamata Banerjee had said it's TRP for the BJP. But jokes apart, Rajat, there is a serious concern. And the statement that has come in from the BJP is actually because they are concerned about the fallout of this statement. The damage it might cause, perhaps not just in Haryana, even in a state like Maharashtra, that today is a tough fight. Because clearly this is social media. You've seen how the statement has gone viral. And unless you have an intervention coming in, Rajat, could this really become troublesome for the party?
See, essentially, what can a party do other than distancing and ensuring that, you can't sack a person from an MP post? I don't think that works that way. We saw what happened during the din of the main general election also. Sam Pitroda kept saying ludicrous statements over and over again. By that logic, all Jats are Huns and all South Indians are actually Africans.
But she's an MP,
by that logic, they were actually, he was removed for a time being and he was brought in. Does that mean that the Congress now again endorses that all South Indians are Africans? See, at best, what can a party do? Party can actually create an arm's length distance, ensure that this is not the policy lines, or even as a matter of fact, its principal position on that issue. Reprimand the concerned member of parliament, ask him or her not to speak out of turn. That's the best a political party can do. Ultimately, each one of us are mature individuals out here, and we need to behave maturely. You can't, political parties are not organized like a classroom, that there is a class teacher who's going to, go after every single student on what they say and what they don't say. Therefore, let's all take a step back, respect her fundamental right. And if that fundamental right comes at a cost, the party will have to bear the cost and therefore, re-strategize around what they need to do in the next coming election. But you cannot, in the middle of the road, start saying every member of parliament start resigning. The whole parliament would be empty. That's
but Rajat, and I quickly want to get in Suhail here before I get in the opposition here, because this is an interesting take. I want Suhail to respond to. Suhail, a lot of our viewers watching the broadcast, they want me to ask you one question. That, is this the problem of getting people who are not aware of political realities, who do not understand the nuances of politics when it comes to different states? Also at a point when the Pradhan Mantri himself said कि हमारे लिए 4 जातियां हैं, युवा, गरीब, महिला और अन्नदाता. अगर कंगना इतना ही पढ़ लेती, याद रख लेती, तो शायद इस तरह का कमेंट नहीं बोलती. तो unless, people who are aware of the political realities, should they be allowed to be an MP or contest elections like this, and then the party needs to go about doing this damage control?
I mean, I don't want to be dismissive, but if you look at our parliament today, it's not as if our MPs are bestowed with great intellectual prowess or a sense of gravitas. So there are a whole host of people like her in the corridors of power, be it in parliament or not. And that is by no means condoning what she has said or what others have said. We live in that reality. We are now living in soundbite nation. Say something controversial, get it in the media, it'll be debated by Dipti, it'll have 6 panelists, it'll be on prime time, she will get her ounce of flesh, party will be shamed or, revel in it, and moves on. How many people remember Kangana's comments 10 days later? There'll be another Kangana Ranaut comment. So I wouldn't give it too much of credence. A, B. And I wouldn't even bother because this is not what is going to determine the elections in Haryana. I've told you we are on August 26th. You can take a small wager of a Diet Coke or whatever the hell it is, that Haryana, certainly the BJP is losing. Unless they're fighting Haryana in the United States. But this Haryana, they're losing. And don't blame it on Kangana. They are very competent to lose it on their own. Naib Singh Saini and before that ML Khattar have done such sterling work that they will lose Haryana. If they don't lose Haryana, every person in Gurugram needs to actually stand in line and do whatever. Because they have then brought upon these people.
Okay, Suhail, I don't have a BJP representative on the show, but clearly they won't be happy with what you have said so far. But Khaligur Rahmanji, you know, Suhail makes a fair point that when it comes to a lot of our MPs, we've seen them making irresponsible comments. Now, I don't remember how many political parties have gone ahead to, you know, even put out a comment that reprimands them. Here, the BJP has done that. Should this be the end of the controversy and a lesson for everyone?
I agree with Mr. Sohail, but see, the kind of statement what Kangana Ranaut has made, it is highly disrespectful, it is highly shameful, and this is with regard to the farmers of our country. And the BJP was very well aware about her irresponsible nature of making the statements, because way back in 2021, not too much in the past, just 2.5 years back, she made a statement. She called the farmers the terrorists and the rioters. And knowing this pretty well, still the BJP gave her the ticket. So I think the BJP should have avoided encouraging such characters and bringing them to parliament. And then what do you expect from them? So if BJP has distanced itself from this type of statement and from this type of character, then this is not just enough. I think the Prime Minister or the BJP parliamentary party head should write to the Speaker for her disqualification, because she doesn't deserve to be in the parliament when she is insulting the farmers of our country.
Okay, you're saying she needs to be disqualified. I just have limited time, so Kapish ji, quickly, 30 seconds. आप क्या कहते हैं, क्या होना चाहिए?
देखिए, बहुत सीधी सी बात है, कंगा जी को सबके सामने आकर के माफी मांगना चाहिए अपने स्टेटमेंट के लिए। दूसरा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी को कुछ ना कुछ अनुशासनात्मक कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए। उपरोक्त जो हमारे 3 पैनलिस्ट बैठे हैं, जिन्होंने कंगना रनावत के इस स्टेटमेंट को दूसरों के स्टेटमेंट से जोड़ करके उसे हल्का करने की कोशिश की है, वो दरअसल देश हित में नहीं है। जो भी ये कह रहे हैं वो देश हित में नहीं है। आपने राजगोपाल ने कहा कि मुलायम सिंह जी का एक बयान याद दिला रहे थे कि बच्चों से गलती हो जाती है। ये तो हमारा किशोर न्याय अधिनियम कहता है कि बच्चों से गलती होती है, बूढ़ों।
अरे बच्चों नहीं सर, कपिश जी डाइल्यूट मत करिए। बॉयज विल बी बॉयज, लड़के हैं, गलती हो जाती है। अब अगर आप उस कमेंट के बारे में ही सुनना चाहते हैं तो मैंने खुद कई बार वो कमेंट सुना है, कई बार उस पर डिबेट किया। अब आप उसको जस्टिफाई तो मत करिए।
मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ कि बृजभूषण सिंह से गलती नहीं, अपराध होता है। चन्मयानंद से गलती नहीं, अपराध होता है। सेंगर से गलती नहीं, अपराध। ठीक
है, मुलायम सिंह यादव से गलती हो गई, लेकिन कंगना से अपराध हो गया, यही कहना चाह रहे हैं ना आप?
बालक है, उससे गलती, वो किशोर न्याय बोर्ड में जाता है, बाल सुधार गृह में जाता है, वो जेल नहीं जाता है। तो ये इनको जानना चाहिए कि नेताजी ने किसके लिए कहा, और नेताजी को इसी बात के लिए तो पद्म विभूषण दिया गया, शायद इसीलिए दिया गया था क्या?
अरे अब आप इसमें तो ऐसे ओके, राजगोपालन जी, ओनली 10 seconds, देन आई नीड टू क्लोज द शो।
नहीं, जो ये समाजवादी स्पोक्स पर्सन के इतना गुस्सा आता है, कंगना रनौत मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, शी डिफीटेड ए मिनिस्टर, यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, शी डिफीटेड।
बट तब भी राजगोपालन जी, शी कैन नॉट मेक अ स्टेटमेंट लाइक दिस ना। द बीजेपी इटसेल्फ हैज डिस्टेंस्ड, द बीजेपी हैज रिप्रिमांडेड हर।
जैसे माननीय मुलायम सिंह यादव का हक है, कंगना रनौत का भी हक है।
अरे अगर उनका हक है तो पार्टी जो स्टेटमेंट दे रही है राजगोपालन जी, वो तो डैमेज कंट्रोल हो गया ना सर। वो मानते हैं कि गलती हो गई है।
पार्लियामेंट कैसे रिमूव करेगा?
चलिए, आई डोंट थिंक वी हैव हर्ड द लास्ट वर्ड येट ऑन दिस, सोहेल। And like Sohail has predicted, कि आज लिखवा लीजिए, today is 26th of August, the BJP is losing the Haryana election with or without Kangna. We'll track that story. It's a pleasure to have all of you on the show. Huda and all gentlemen, thank you so much. Quickly heading into a break.